Is your Tesla Model 3's left side camera, also known as the side repeater camera, not working? This video will guide you through diagnosing and potentially fixing the issue. Common symptoms include a black screen on the display, error messages like left camera unavailable, or degraded autopilot performance. These cameras are crucial for autopilot and full self-driving features, so getting them working again is important. The main causes are wiring problems and hardware failure. Let's dive in. The side repeater camera uses a fisheye lens mounted on the driver's side mirror or pillar. This specialized lens captures a wide field of view to monitor blind spots. The camera continuously feeds real-time video data to the car's central computer, which processes it for surround view imaging and collision avoidance systems, especially during autopilot operation. The camera connects to the vehicle's central computer through a dedicated wiring harness. This harness carries both power to operate the camera and data signals containing the video feed. The connection is typically secured with weatherproof connectors to protect against environmental damage. The wiring harness is often the source of problems, with common failure points including connector corrosion from moisture ingress, pinched or damaged wires from manufacturing or vibrations, and loose connections that cause intermittent signal loss. Understanding these failure points is crucial for effective troubleshooting. If you're comfortable with basic car maintenance, you can inspect the wiring harness yourself. First, always disconnect the car's battery before working on electrical components to prevent short circuits. You'll need a Torx screwdriver set, electrical tape, and optionally a multimeter for continuity testing. Locate the wiring harness connected to the left side camera, typically near the driver's side mirror assembly. Carefully examine the wires for loose connections, signs of corrosion, or any physical damage. If you're familiar with electrical testing, use a multimeter to check continuity and ensure the wiring conducts electricity properly. Often, the left camera issue on your Tesla Model 3 stems from a loose or corroded connection in the wiring harness. These connections can degrade over time due to vibrations, moisture, or manufacturing defects. To fix this, start by cleaning the connectors. Use a specialized electrical contact cleaner to remove dirt, grime, and light corrosion. Spray the cleaner onto the connector and let it evaporate without residue. This restores conductivity and prevents signal loss. Next, apply a thin layer of dielectric grease to the cleaned connectors. This non-conductive grease creates a barrier against moisture and corrosion, preventing future electrical failures. Avoid conductive greases as they can cause shorts. After cleaning and greasing, ensure all connections are secure. Firmly plug in the connectors and engage any locking mechanisms. Test the connection by gently tugging to confirm it's stable. If you find frayed or damaged wires during inspection, repair them carefully. Wrap exposed wires with electrical tape for insulation, or consider replacing the entire wiring harness if damage is extensive. Always test continuity after repairs. Finally, seal all connection points with appropriate weatherproofing materials. Use silicone sealant or electrical tape to create a barrier against moisture. This preventive measure can significantly extend the life of your camera system. If you're not comfortable working with electrical components, or if the wiring harness appears severely damaged, it's best to seek professional help. A Tesla service center or a reputable auto repair shop specializing in EVs can diagnose and repair the problem. This is especially important if your Model 3 is still under warranty, as DIY repairs might void it. Tesla has issued recalls for side camera wiring defects in the past. Check if your Model 3 is affected. If so, schedule a free repair at a Tesla service center. Alternatively, aftermarket solutions are available, such as OEM equivalent cameras from suppliers. However, be aware of potential warranty implications when using non-Tesla parts. Tesla is continuously improving its camera systems. Newer Model 3s, post-2022, feature robust sealing against water ingress and modular camera designs that make repairs easier and reduce failure rates. Regular software updates provide critical bug fixes and enhanced diagnostics for camera systems, helping to resolve intermittent issues before they become serious. To prevent future problems, consider applying a sealant to the camera housing and wiring connections, particularly if you live in a humid climate. Regular visual inspections can identify issues early before they affect performance. Looking ahead, Tesla's advancements in autonomous technology promise even more reliable camera systems with self-healing diagnostics, reducing hardware failures significantly.